Hi, my name is Dan Coates. I'm a solution evangelist at ACI Worldwide. Today is Tutorial Thursday, and I am answering what is a payments platform. Let's get started. Well, I'm going to describe this by talking about a merchant. Now, merchant here, he has a customer sitting over on the left-hand side, and he wants to make a payment for a good or service. Well, that merchant has agreements with a processor to process all the bank cards. He's got his own private branded credit card, so we have to route things to private label company over there. And then finally, he's got his own gift card, which we'll have to route to gift card company. Well, if we want to accept those payments, you're going to have to crack out your keyboards, folks, because we're going to have to write some code to make connections and write code for processor. We have to do the same for private label company and finally for gift card company as well. Now, unfortunately, every one of these guys has a different message set. And so that's a different looking message for everything. There may be different protocols for everything. So we're not going to be able to reuse any of the work here, which is very unfortunate and very frustrating. So, just as a recap, we're going to have to create that technology, write those interfaces. We're going to have to make a connection, and that may be over the public internet, maybe VPN, maybe a dedicated circuit. We're gonna have to test those applications, make sure that everything works and is spick and span. We're gonna have to get into a certification process, sending messages back and forth with each one of these guys. And finally, if you're lucky, you will get certified and validated. And then we can process all of these lovely payment types. That is until top management says, hey, I'd like you to accept a different payment type. And then we get to do the process all over again. Well, there is a better way to do this. So instead of merchant writing and coding directly to all of these different endpoints, we can do something a little bit different. Let's instead put a payments platform in the middle. And instead of having to write to all of these interfaces, we only have to write one interface, and that is to payments platform. Payments platform takes care of writing and coding to processor and private label company and gift card company. And it takes care of all of those mandates and certification and make sure that everything works and is always up and operational and has redundancy built into it. So when we want to go ahead and add something, no problem. The technology is already there. The connections are already there. It's already certified and ready to go. There will be a little bit of testing and regression to get things going, but overall, it's a much less significant effort. And then when top management says, hey, I'd like to add a new payment type, you say, no problem. I can now send that message. I may have to add a few attributes to process that new payment type, but we don't have to write a new message set. We simply send it on to our payments platform, and our payments platform takes care of it. So let's review. For a payments platform, it processes and routes payments to multiple providers. It typically offers a standardized message set. So I only have to write one message set and I'm done. And typically, it has a lot of other additional features. Those can include tokenization, point to point encryption, fraud detection, and data analytics. Well, those are the basics. Thanks for following along. Like and follow for more, and we'll see you next time.